Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix this error D3DX11_43 dynamic link library error. This code execution cannot proceed because this file was not found. Reinstalling the program made this fix the problem, so on and so on. So here, in order to fix this, all you need just install the DirectX. So you can access your games or software folder. Try to find the DirectX under FC Redis or DirectX folder. You can find it in installer or installation folder. If the game or the software doesn't have that support software, you can just go to the Microsoft.com of our Microsoft official website in order to download DirectX and user runtime web installer. So this is the web installer. Make sure you have a good internet connection. So the file size, the installer size only up to 300 kilobyte. So you can download this because of this installer, web installer, contain Microsoft DirectX and user runtime libraries from the legacy DirectX SDK. For some game that use D3DX9, D3DX10, D3DX11, X Audio 2.7, X Input 1.3, X ACT, and or manage DirectX 1.1. So now this package does not modify the DirectX runtime ISO on your Windows in any way. So just download this and try to install, and make sure you have internet connection in order to install this DirectX and user runtime. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support this button below. See you in the next video.